Born in the badness.
Real bad man, real dangerous young. Them can't contest when a giant shows. Boy get minds up for your take boost.
Pussy try this me from last year. Blind or them can't hear. Me born figure and warfare. No mix Rolex with a Cartier.
Where the Gully God fans them there? Where are the Gully God fans? You see, if you did merge with the vendetta, you better just detach yourself. Yeah, man. If you did merge with the vendetta, I better on right now, you just detach on yourself.
Like seriously, people. The fucking rubbish song that we Mavado sing. On the claim say a clash song for vendetta, boss. Come on, man. Press and phone.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda. You know it's your boss, Nanda and I Billing, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, good morning to everybody out there. Hope you all having a good day. Hope you all having a wonderful Sunday. You know, today is Sunday. So, we have some topics I want to talk about as it pertains to Mavado and Alkaline. And a lot of people out here are speculate. A lot of people are put them own theory together to say that both artists now link are them and friends again, because you know from that Vibes Cartel picture and that video came out with Vibes Cartel and Mavado linking up for the DJ Khaled video shoot and so forth. So you know a lot of people out here put out misleading information to say the artists them are beef, because at the same time you know the artists them have a song, both artists have a song where people might say they took them at this them one another in it under style, but what I want to say is that Mavado and Alkaline are linked from a longer time, and to me, I would definitely say Mavado and Alkaline linkage a real brother linkage, or I would say Mavado a giant in our business and Alkaline a young youth. So Mavado did kind of show Alkaline through the whole dancehall space when Alkaline link up Mavado, because remember from a taller time Alkaline did done bust out big before him link with Mavado. So you know the connect was so real, so them just make a connect. But me there have to talk about the thing that we are going in the media. Me there have to debunk some of the thing, even though me might not know too much we are going in the linkage with the two artists them, but in my eyes it don't look like the artists them have nothing are going right now, like no beef. And what I want to say also is that if you want to see a beef with Mavado and Alkaline, you make a sad mistake, because if you see a beef with Mavado and Alkaline in a dancehall, every artist are going to get lock out a dancehall, down to even the Vibes Cartel are going to get lock out. So if it's a beef you want to build up, and what we get to realize is that a dancehall fans them help build feud with artists, because everybody are speculate with where them things say them hear as to where the artists them are singing at them song. But what I say is that if you think you don't want to see a beef with Alkaline and Mavado, a trouble. So me have some snippets, me have some clippings with some people talk about things about what them see and what them think them hear as it pertains to the both artists' songs, and them a say, yo, them a throw shades off of them one another. So stick around, don't move a muscle, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and you know that post notification bell, make sure it's on all, so whenever I drop a video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So let's just jump right into the review. Mad.
Bad mind them.
So yeah, as I said, the weak one always come down with them jealousy, you know, and envious, you know, and I get to realize I'm a sit back and I say, yo, Jaja God, Gaza fans them a try hard for break the bridge between Alkaline and Mavado. Them a try hard for break the friendship with both artists. Listen. From 2017, them a try this. Not even 2017. From Alkaline and Mavado start link, them a try something like this, and they broke Jamil apart from the whole linkage between Mavado and Alkaline. Because we see where Jamil come out at all the time and say about Obi and man, Obi and man, rare. But at the same time, him never really justify the whole conversation into say that I know Mavado or Alkaline him attack. So Jamil get falling by the wayside. So the people them get to capture him. Gaza fans them capture him by the wayside. So some other people out here in our media, right? Some viewers or some fans of dancehall put out some video disrespect Mavado and are speculate about Mavado. Because I see even vloggers come out and talk about the whole thing and say, yo, it look like Mavado and Alkaline fall out. And as I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, a long time them want Mavado and Alkaline for fall out. Because watch this, Gaza fans them not like for see when nothing good are going for nobody but them artists. Corruption, AI worse set of fans them for dancehall. The worst set of fans them that in a dancehall because them not like to see when nothing good are going for them artists. And when me telling you this, you see, if you don't want to see a clash between Mavado and Alkaline again, as me saying, it's a troubling thing. It's gonna be a troubling thing for you all, because you see one time if this will even happen, the whole of every other artist in the dancehall are gonna get closed out. Remember, remember the 6 and the Vendetta clash? You remember that? Or the whole of dancehall get close out and Vibes Cartel that for say, oh, Gaza stand alone. You don't remember that. It come like you have amnesia. So, me I go play some video. Watch the video, ya people.
Like seriously, people. The fucking rubbish song they were Mavado sing. On the claim say a clash song for Vendetta, boss. Come on, man. First and foremost, let me just tell the audience this. A long time Mavado, Alkaline and a friend. From with the Jamil business. Enough people even remember say from when Jamil he come out and say when I man we try his name and OBM and so on sitting in front. This so Mavado, and Alkaline and a friend, but Alkaline is not a youth who come out and come tell on that. You see me? And Mavado have to just go and hold in corner. Remember Mavado did that drain for Alkaline energy. Next thing, this clash thing now gone away. And third, this rubbish song where Mavado drop is rubbish because in no vibes the lame. And yes, I see him a throw word the night, but guess what? Them the word they can and son if you go throw them the word there for. I man them the violating son. Man them the box him down, make you not go throw word after them.
Alright, even if I saw the case, Mavado disrespect Alkaline or Mavado throw shots at Alkaline, you know that would be the lowest thing to do ever. That would have been the lowest thing to do ever. After Mavado knowing that Alkaline is an artist where always I get fight from the dancehall space, from artists, from producers, from the fans of dancehall, right? Even if I saw the case, you know say, Alkaline would have come out on top because, as I said in a previous interview, you see, us as Jamaican, we sympathize for people. And when we see say people are try to tear down somebody when them already down, we not gonna like it. We are gonna stand by for them side. So Mavado, I would doubt Mavado in himself. I think say, yo, make me go up against Alkaline. Because currently in our media, Alkaline have the space. With him new rules coming up in Jamaica, with him having an interview coming up also after so many years of doing an interview in Jamaica. Him have the space in a dancehall, him have the media as well him singing him song. Control will have the angle. So it would have been the lowest thing for Mavado to do to go up against Alkaline. But you know, dancehall is a competitive sport, so anything can go. And who knows, maybe the artists them come together and say, yo, make we see if we can beef together, make we see if we can go up against one another. And you know, it may cause controversy and all of that thing, but it's still gaining to the artists them. But I would doubt that in myself that the artists them really would have waste some time for go up against one another. It just looks ridiculous. But fans out here are lose it, like them really fall weak to the oppressors, them fall weak to the Gaza fans, because watch this, them in the media literally push this beef from a longer time, from Mavado and Cartel link up back. So I don't understand. And then I have to understand also too, bad mind have a tendency for lag for breach people current, Bad mind always a try for breach people current. So that really are going right now. Them a try to bridge the current between Mavado and Alkaline. I try start something. So me have a clippings here with Alkaline's performance at his new rule in Canada. And I guess this is one piece of clippings where people are run with that say Alkaline are send shots at Mavado. I don't know where people get the knowledge of, where people get them theory there for creating on them head for say Alkaline are disrespect Mavado. But me I go play it for you so you can hear for yourself, because it's not good to run with things, People love run with things. And let me tell you, you see this media thing, it is very tricky. If you take things as face value, you would run with anything, and things will fool you. You will get lost out here in our world. So listen to the clippings of people.
One over the dog. Fox.
Now me hear a different wording from other people or other vloggers out there in the media space. I say a different thing, a whole different thing from what Alkaline said. Now Alkaline said out of his mouth, you don't know how the things stay already, you know. Me and people no friend. Pussy them bad mind because me are the baddest thing. You don't know that go, but that's how it go. And people out here say a different thing. Me don't know why. And that statement can be for anybody. It not specific, can be to a specific person. It can be for anybody because you know say Alkaline is not friend with a lot of these dancehall artists in a space of dancehall. So that statement can be for anybody. So if you run with things you hear other people I say, it no make no sense for Uno and it no make no sense for the whole space because I Uno same one I go start feud. I Uno same one I go start unnecessary beef with artists. So Uno have to just careful of what Uno listen and careful of what Uno run with.
Jealousy, jealousy. The weak one always come up with that jealousy. But they not dream.
Mavado, you don't know bumbo clot. Go learn to spell your real name and stop write gully god pan paper. Mavado, you can't this Alkaline. Remember say Cartel write 5 song gain and take it tell you. And Alkaline come back come write 3 song gain and turn you in a star. And now you see Cartel come a road and want this Alkaline. Cartel see and I say yo walk go on, you hold on head in the ground. You afraid of Cartel. Alkaline afraid of Cartel, Mavado.
Jaja God, the people them out here lose it. Some fans will claim to say them a vendetta. Them are really the weak one, you know. Because when you see that brother here attack in the video, but yet still them a play the jealousy song. And the song stated, the weak one always come here with them jealousy. I know this brother here out on the media. I run off him out attack a bag of things, some things when don't really make no sense when him attack. Say, because Alkaline, I doubt Alkaline even write no song for Mavado. And bro, me not understand. Gaza fans really capture some of them fans here and trick them because of them out here are trying to brainwash people into believing that Alkaline and Mavado had a beef going on or them are not friends. Me I wonder myself is if a something Vybz Kartel premeditated I go happen or him decide say yo this so happen because something you know me no know you know something from Vybz Kartel link up with Mavado. The whole thing, the whole speculation, the whole conversation are going. Because remember, before Vybz Kartel come on road, this was the talk. Mavado and Alkaline and a friend, them stop link. And people have to understand, you know, Alkaline is a businessman and at the same time, Alkaline is a loner. Alkaline no really mix and mingle. Them man, they, you know, not hearing friend them come out and tell you no. So when time them man they do music or when him there him own space, I'm own yard, them no really itch up nowhere. You know, see him certain places. So them man they are meds in them old lane in them own space. So to say him and Mavado have a beef, I would doubt that because unlike says a youth to really mix and mingle and go places. He may be friends with Mavado, but I don't think it's like a thick type of friends, a real thick friends like you would say a Mavado and Vybz Kartel because them a come from somewhere. Them know each other from a longer time. Mavado and Alkaline just know each other recently from Alkaline busting a dancehall. And you know them gradually become friends, but people out here are do the most just because them want the two artists them stop link. But until the artists them come out and make we know say them and a friend, we can't say them and a friend. A people just a run with something.
Top of the morning, top of the great morning, every day above ground is a blessing. So chat, make we talk about Gully God, make we talk about Mavado, make we talk about Alkaline, make we talk about, what him name? Detta, Vendetta, yeah man. Where the Gully God fans them there? Where are the Gully God fans? You see if you did merge with the Vendetta, you better just detach yourself, yeah man. If you did merge with the Vendetta, I bet on right now, you just detach on yourself and go over back to the gully because Mavado tell us a war in the air. Yeah, man. Mavado tell us a war in the air, you know. Blood clot. Mavado and a normal man, you know. Yo, Mavado and a normal man for war with, you know. Yeah, man. You see them vocals there? And a normal thing. If Alkaline feels saying can war Mavado, he better go back in him crib. Yeah, man. If Alkaline feels say him can war a Mavado, he better go back in him crib. them vocals there, them melody there where Mavado have another normal thing. Believe me. Believe me. Remember when Mavado and Vibes Cartel a war? I remember when we used to listen to some of Mavado song them, me and my dog them used to say, yo, me nah lie still in a dog. Mavado have a piece of vocal there, you know. And my dog say, for real, man. Dog have a vocal there, Prince. Mavado thing no normal. Again, to all of the gully fans will merge with the vendetta on a detach yourself and go back to the boss. Yeah, man. On a go on back to the boss. Mavado.
What me just telling the people is like on now here when me say a Gaza fans out here a try to push a beef between Mavado and Alkaline. I try to create some rift, and from a taller time them been a try this. This man on the screen is a known Gaza man, right? A known Vibes Cartel supporter. But they are happy, them get excited when time them hear say something a go on, or them feel like something a go on between Mavado and Alkaline, because them don't want the link, them want to cut the link. Even though Alkaline said links can cut, yes, we not try and choose. It can be for anybody, not really have to be for Mavado specifically, but people out here, viewers and subscribers out here, are trying to cause a rift between Mavado and Alkaline. But as I say, no, until the artists them come out and make it be known, say them are a friend or them a beef with them one another. Because currently, Mavado still a follow Alkaline on Instagram, but you know, artists can still follow artists. But currently, as I said, I can't say the artists them a beef, but you know them happy to see it because watch this. Vibes Cartel afraid for clash Alkaline cause him turn Christian now. Vibes Cartel say, oh, a massacre Alkaline for clash. So what would it be like for Mavado and Alkaline clash? Remember, you know, Mavado is a veteran in a dancehall. Him there in a dancehall long time. Alkaline a youth to Mavado. So for go back for clash a youth, it would be a joke thing. But you know, anything goes cause we see Mavado clash Popcorn also. But as I say, viewers and subscribers, in my eyes, until the artists them come out and say, yo, we not link or whatever, me can't run with this. Even though the song them may have play tricks in the head with the artists them a sing. If you wanna think say them a beef or something a go on, but me can't say it. Me can't say it.
Let me tell you something, man. Mavado song name Big Guns. The man now pre no Alkaline. So no go. No well want to say Mavado and Alkaline worry. The man now pre no Alkaline. The man do him song, man. A dance all the man do him song. And first of all, I go and look at info. Mavado, if you see that video, don't pre me. No, nobody from the gully side not pre me, but I just go and look at int. Mavado shoot the video already, and the video soon drop. And I go and into him there beside a cyber truck with a long thing. On the read between the line. But Mavado song name Big Guns.
You see, even though I know say I be a clout, that brother you look when him Nico for you, cause him always a try interject him friend them or him musical friend them in any conversation we might have about dancehall artists, you know. But when I say make sense, yeah, Mavado nah disrespect no Alkaline. Mavado and Alkaline have nothing. But viewers, as I say, no, stop run with things where you hear them a say in the media, because the way them want to know, and whosoever want to see a push the agenda, a straight Gaza them say, man. A Gaza supporters a push the narrative for Alkaline and Mavado beef. Viewers and subscribers, show me thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about this whole conspiracy theory that people have up them sleeve into saying that Mavado and Alkaline fall out or them a beef with them one another. You know what, go already, man. A Vibes and Inside with another one. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.